G'day, I'm Ian and this is my 1960 BSA Golden Flash. It is time to start rebuilding it. Now, a lot of people following my channel are here for the adventure riding and the V-Strom stuff. Any videos regarding this bike will have BSA in the title, so if you're not interested, don't watch it. We're going to start out by rebuilding this bike. It won't be a restoration to original, that doesn't interest me. I purposely bought a bike that wasn't original so I wouldn't feel obliged to keep it that way. Yeah, bikes are only original once. So obviously the paint job's not original on this bike. The carby's not original. It has a concentric amyl carby instead of a monoblock. I believe it's off a later model twin carb BSA or Triumph. It has an L stamped on it indicating it's a left-hand carby. And my original plan was to build a desert sled out of it, a very stripped back, minimal bike. But the type of riding I enjoy doing is adventure riding. So, you know, it means carrying gear with you. So, yeah, we might turn it into a adventure bike yet. I might chuck some racks on it so I can carry a bit of gear. And I'd love to do some camping trips on it. That'd be awesome. I bought this bike sight unseen and I thought all it needed was tyres. But, yeah, it's a bit more in depth than that. A lot of play in those forks. So we need new bushes in those. The rear wheel has a tight spot, which I'm guessing is the brake drum out of round. What else? Leaking oil from everywhere. Yeah, I had it running, there was oil pissing out of it everywhere. Yeah, when I had the bike running, I revved it and the rev stayed up, so I don't know if the slides in the carby are sticking. I've also been told that they can warp, so that might need straightening out. We'll check that out when I pull the carby down. And the other advice I've got is to clean out the sludge trap, which sounds interesting. Now that I know where the sludge trap is, that's a big job. So we'll go through it bit by bit. I'll do a video on each step of the way. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the series and hopefully we'll see this bike on the road soon.